And what I want us to talk about, inshallah ta'ala, is this idea of a journey. This journey that we are on of life is one that starts from a very particular place. You'll often hear people talk about life being temporary. And for us as Muslims, we don't console ourselves with simply saying life is temporary and this world is temporary. We say this life is temporary and the hereafter is permanent. We're not just here to comfort ourselves and console ourselves as we make ourselves amenable to this journey here, but rather we're focused on a very particular destination. And there is something that is so beautiful about this journey, is that we have no doubt in the destination whatsoever, and the destination is more compelling, more comprehensive, more beautiful than anything that could be realized in this world here, and that destination is Jannah. You know,